Hi everyone and welcome to Janet's Creative Flowers. My name is Janet and in today's video we are going to see how to decorate a cushion with sunflower that is made up of pista shells and custard apple seeds. Have a look. Let us see the materials required. You need a cushion cover. This is a cushion cover I have. Pista shells. Custard apple seeds. Color. Brush, thread, yellow color and black color, a needle and a glue gun, a scale for the measurement. Take the cushion cover and draw a circle of 10 or 11 centimeter of diameter. It depends on your cushion cover, how much big is your cushion. So draw a circle at the center. Mark the center point and draw the circle. My circle is 11 centimeter in diameter. Take custard apple seeds. These are the custard apple seeds and fix them at the center using the glue gun. This way, you have to do it all over inside the circle. I am about to complete one circle, so let me finish that. Okay, I completed one circle of fixing the custard apple seeds. Now I'm going to do it all over. Yeah, so that completes the second round. Now I have to fill the inner part. That completes my full circle. I've fixed all the seeds. It looks like this. Take pista shells and glue it to the cushion in the outer circle of these seeds. So I'll complete the circle. That completes the first round. Now I'm going for the second round. I'll arrange the pista shells in the second circle. In between the two shells. In between the two shells. I'll go for one more. Just make sure that you're applying glue well and stick them, and let me complete the circle. So that completes my both the circles, circle 1 and circle 2. If you want, if your cushion is bigger, then you can go for a third circle, but for me this much is enough, or my sunflower will come out of the cushion. So for me this much is sufficient. The next step is coloring these pista shells to yellow color. Yeah. Take any yellow color. This is, I'm using watercolor. So if it has become very stiff, then you can use few drops of water to make it to bring it to the liquid form. So take a brush and color the shells. It will take some time to color them properly. So let me color all of these and I'll get back to you. Okay, the coloring is in process. If at any point if you feel that the color has become stiff, then use a little of water and again dip it in the color and start painting. I'm almost done coloring. I'm just giving one more touch just to make sure that each and every pista shell is painted. Yeah, I think I'm done. Okay, so it very well looks like a sunflower. So now I'll keep it for drying for some 15 minutes. Now my sunflower cushion cover is ready and I can use it. the color is not dried, you can keep it for more time, but for me it is done. Okay, yeah. Now I will fix this inside the cushion. This is my cushion. I should be careful. Let me do that carefully. Shell came out, seed came out, no problem, I'll glue it. My sunflower cushion is ready. You can see a better view of it. Yeah. This is a very good home decor idea without spending much. Just you have to make the cushion, and these are the pista shells which we throw out after eating the pista, and the custard apple seeds that also we throw out. So make use of it, make use of them, and decorate your house. Thanks for watching.